Transform your bathroom into a sanctuary of style with the Nuie Rene matte black offset quadrant enclosure 1200 by 800 mm. This striking enclosure seamlessly blends fashion with functionality, creating a stunning addition to any modern bathroom space. Featuring double sliding doors, this offset quadrant shower enclosure is perfect for making the most of space in compact bathrooms and en-suites. Its elegant curved shape fits perfectly into a corner, while the smooth action sliding doors ensure easy access without encroaching on valuable floor space. Reversible, this cleverly designed enclosure can be fitted either way. Whether your bathroom is spacious or cozy, this enclosure offers an intelligent space-saving solution. The beautiful black profiles enhance your decor, adding a touch of sophistication, while the clear, toughened safety glass allows natural light to flow freely. Embrace the opportunity to elevate your bathroom with the Nuie Renay matte black offset quadrant enclosure 1200 by 800 mm, where clean lines and inspired design create everyday comfort and beauty. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.